everybody, it's Leila here today. So the things we have right in front of me, we have Dino World, some color goo slime, we got silly, I can't read this, but we got this slime and this splatty ball. Let's open some. What we're going to open up is this little squishy ball. Ew. Oozy. So, we got this splatty ball, this stretchy, squishy bally. Let's see. Splat ball. Looks like this. See this ball? So flat. Eee. This ball is so squishy. Squish, squish, squish. Watch this. Regular ball. Splat. Splat ball. Boom. Squishy. Splat bally. See the squishy face? Splat! Flat face. Splat. So, I like this, but now we have to move on to this one. Go, bye. The next thing we're going to use is this. Dino World. Dun dun dun. Let's open this. It's just hard to open. Come on, open. 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 I need help. Okay, here it is. We got the dino out. So, we got this little straw so we can blow. Now let's open this. It's fresh packaging. It has a lot of wraps. So, let's open this. Blah, 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 blah. Ah. Ooh. Oozy. This is oozy. Ooh, there comes out the dinosaur. Let's pour it out. We got this. Dun dun dun. So it's like this cool skeleton. It didn't stand. Just hold it up. Now try to blow bubble with it. Yeah, I just need to use a little because not way too much. I can't get the right part. So we're just gonna go like that. It smells oily like that. It doesn't smell that good. It smells like poo-poo. It popped. Oozy, oozy, oozy. I like it because it's like clear. 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 I'm gonna try to blow it with all of this. It's not gonna work. No. Is it gonna work? No, it's gone. like this because it's like oozy. Where's the dinosaur? Hide it in there. Put it back in. 1, 2. Dun, dun, dun. Slime. Straight line. So let's take off all the wrapping. I'll take off this. I already took off this wrapping before. That's can't. Oh, Ben. Where's the opening? Oh, here it is. No, that's not it. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got him open. It was hard. So we have all these different colors. We have orange, pink, blue, or yellow, purple, and green. It's all the colors we have. This one doesn't have that much. Let's move aside and start with yellow. Oh! Ooh, that was cool. So we got, and it's really gooey and it's stretchy like that. Oh! Dropped it right out of my hand. Let's put makes what sounds? I can't get in the container. Get in there. Go in the container. Ah! There. Got it. Now let's go. Dun dun dun. Green. That scared me. Get out. So it's like, this one is like Joker's evil slime. Let's put it back in the container. This always happens. It won't go back in the container. It's just happened. Pop the lid on. Hold on over. Ah. Now let's get to the other one. This one's like a brighttish pink. It's bright. It's really bright. Look at it. Oh. Okay, no. Okay, let's go. Trying to go in the I really like this pink one because it's hot pink. My favorite color. My second favorite color. So yeah. Load it on in. And load on over. Orange. My favorite color. It's my first favorite color. It's like that drink. I forgot what it's called. That orange drink, but I like things that are orange. Orange soda, slime, and oranges. So this, I think this is gonna be my best one yet. Maybe. We're not sure, but it might be. Okay, see this? Okay, can't see that. Okay, it's empty. It's like an evil slime. Okay, that on. We have 2 more left, so we're gonna move that side. Blue. Ooh, I like that sound. It's like, ooh, this one's like a berry. But I'm gonna make it into a ball. Look like my big blueberry. But I really like this one because it's like, ooh, it's bright. Bright. Let's put it back in the container. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. This video is almost ending. Just kidding. We have two more slimes. Put the lid on. Dude, someone's on me. Get away. Throw that. Purple, purple, purple. It's like purple juice. Here's some purple juice. Purple juice. Jiggly juice. Look. Someone I need to sneeze. Ew, purple. I need to hurry up. It sounds like water. Okay, hear it. Water. Pull it on. And one more. Boop, boop, boop. It's the same, but it's black. I didn't even notice that. That was creepy. I was like, is that from the table? Like, no. Like, it's the same. No. I wanted some different slime. Doesn't matter. And I made some homemade. We have some more. Let me go get it. We got some homemade. Oh, I forgot I did it on the other video, so I cannot do it. I'm so sorry, guys. But every type of slime I end with, we'll roll on to the next video. Make sure to subscribe too. Thanks for watching. Bye.